Welcome to Forex Currency Pairs that can make you thousands of dollars a month by WA Courses. Let's begin. In this video, I'll be talking to you about the Forex currency pairs that can make you thousands of dollars a month. And in particular, I'm going to be talking about the major currency pairs. Now in Forex, we have the major and we have the exotic currency pairs. But in this session, I'll be looking at the major currency pairs. So what are the major currency pairs? You have USD JPY, you have GBP USD, you have USD CHF, you have AUD USD, you have USD CAD, you have NZD USD, GBP Euro, Euro CHF, Euro JPY. In addition to these currency pairs, there is the gold and currency pairs that I really like. And I also recommend trying out these pairs as well when trading. You have the XAU USD, you have the XAU AUD, XAU GBP, XAU Euro, XAU CHF. Why trade with these currency pairs? These currency pairs have high volatility, high liquidity, and tight spreads. They're very good to trade with as opposed to the exotic pairs. So if you're new to trading and you're starting out for the first time, I'd advise looking at these currency pairs and also watching a few of our videos to get a better understanding of how to trade and what tools and strategies to use when trading. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to receive free trading signals, please find the link below this video to join our Telegram channel to receive free trading signals. If you'd like to learn more about Forex trading, please find the link below this video to sign up to our Forex Trading Mastery course.